Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed up to 10 problems in level 2. This is the 11th question. See here, limit n tends to infinite 1 by n, data of a power n. Data of a power n is equal to data whole power n. Here, a matrix given, find the determinant. What is determinant? 2 by 2 matrix. AD minus BC. Cos theta into cos theta, cos squared theta, minus sine theta into sine theta, minus sine squared theta. Already here minus is there. It is going to positive. What is cos squared theta plus sine squared theta value? 1. Now limit n tends to infinite 1 by n. Data of a power n is, that is, we can write data a whole power n. Data a whole power n, that is equal to 1 power n, that is equal to 1 only. So limit n tends to infinite 1 by n into 1. Now substitute the limit, just in place of n, substitute infinite. So we are getting 1 by infinite. 1 by infinite value is 0. So second option correct. This is important question. What they are given here? Data of A1 plus data of A2 plus and so on, data of A 2015 given. First observe here, they are given matrices AK, that is equal to K, K minus 1, K minus 1, K. Find data of AK, that is K square minus K minus 1 whole square. Then expand students, this is in the form of a square minus b square. How to write a plus b into a minus b now? K plus k minus 1 into k minus k plus 1. Here observe that this is 2k minus 1. K cancel, we are getting 1. Finally, data of AK value, that is 2k minus 1. Now observe the question, what they are given. Data of A1 plus data of A2 plus data of A3 plus and so on, data of A 2015 given. Data of AK value, this is. Data of A1 means just in place of K, substitute 1. What we get? Data of A1 value is 1. 2 into 1 minus 1. What is data of A2? Just in place of K, substitute 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on. What is the last term? 2 into 2015 minus 1. So here how many number of terms are there? How many number of terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and so on. 2015 terms are there. What is sum of odd numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on. 2n minus 1. Sum of odd numbers formula n square. This is the formula. This is the formula. What is n here? N means 2015 only. There are 2015 terms. So formula n square now. So we get answer 2015 whole square. This is sum of odd numbers up to 2015 terms. So correct answer, third option. See the 13th question. matrix A is given by, then determinant of a power 2015 minus 6 into a power 2014. First here, A matrix, what they are given? 6, 11, 2, 4. Then what is determinant of A? That A. AD minus BC. 6 into 4, 24, minus 11 into 2, 22. That is that A value is 2. Okay. Now determinant of A power 2015 minus 6 into A power 2014. Now here take common A power 2014, then remaining what is there? A minus 6 into, write the identity matrix, because here we are getting constant elements. We know the formula, det of AB, that is equal to det B into det A. Or we can write det A into det B also, no problem. Both are correct. So det of A power 2014 into det of A minus 6i. Okay. Det of A power 2014, det A whole power 2014 into, this is det of A minus 6i. Students, first of all, find A minus 6i value. A minus means we know that 6, 11, 2, 4. Minus 6 into I means 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now 6, 11, 2, 4 minus 6, 0, 0, 6. Calculate this. 6 minus 6, 0. 11 minus 0, 11. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 6, minus 2. This is A minus 6i value. Then find determinant of A minus 6i value. AD minus BC. This is, that is equal to minus 22. Minus 22. Here, det A value is how much? 2. Substitute here. Substitute here. 2 power 2014 into det of A minus 6i value minus 22. So observe the options. 22 is not there in options. That is, I am writing minus 11 into 2 into 2014, into 2 power 2014. Now minus 11 into 2 power 2015. Bases are equal, power should be adding. So this is, I got answer. Which option correct? Second option correct. If the entries in a 3 by 3 determinant are either 0 or 1, then greatest value of their determinant is 0 and 1. Only 2 elements given. By using 2 elements, form the matrices, 3 by 3 matrices. Then what is the greatest value of their determinant? When it is possible, greatest matrices means if the principal diagonal elements are small, other than principal diagonal elements are greatest value, greatest element. For suppose, see here, A matrix, we can take like this: 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. except principal diagonal elements, remaining elements, more value we can take. Then what is det of A? Here symbols plus, minus, plus. 0 into something, 0 only, no need to write. Minus 1 into 0 minus 1, plus 1 into 1 minus 0. Calculate this. This is 0, plus 1, plus 1. Overall, we are getting answer 2. This is maximum value of the determinant. So which option correct? Second option. When we get 3 by 3 determinant value, maximum value means if the elements are in principal diagonal elements are small, other elements are big, then only it is possible to get greatest value of their determinant. Okay. See here, if one of the root of the determinant is minus 10, then other roots are. So here det is equal to 0 given. First we need to expand. We need to expand det 3, 5, x, 7, x, 7, x, 5, 3, that is equal to 0. Symbols take that plus, minus, plus. Then expand 3 into 3x minus 35. Minus 5 into 21 minus 7x plus x into 35 minus x square, that is equal to 0. Now this is 9x minus 105 minus 105 plus 35x plus x into 35, 35x minus x cube is equal to 0. Okay. Now calculate. First write that highest degree minus x cube. 35x, 35x, 70 plus 9, 79x. Next constant terms, minus 105 minus 105, minus 210 is equal to 0. This is x cube minus 79x plus 210 is equal to 0. Okay. Now already given one of the root is minus 10. Then how to find remaining two roots? You know that Horner's method, x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 0, x coefficient is minus 79 and constant is 210. We know that one of the root is minus 10. Do the synthetic division, you will get remaining. Horner's method. Whenever we will start the Horner's method, put 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 10 into 1, minus 10. We get minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10, 100. So here we get how much? Minus 7900, 80, 21. 21. Minus 10 into 21, minus 210. Remainder will be 0 because minus 10 is factor. That's why we are getting remainder 0. Remaining, see that constant x square. This is x square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Split into factors. X square minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 is equal to 0. Here x common. We get x minus 7 minus 3 common. X minus 7 is equal to 0. Next, here x minus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Overall x values 3 or 7. Okay, already minus 10 is one of the root. 3 and 7 is another roots. 3 and 7. Which option? First option. Or otherwise, verify the options. Each and every option, observe that here 3 is there, 3 is there, 3. Here substitute. If it is satisfied, 3 is correct. Then verify the 7, 9, 4. Any one of the value. It's going to satisfy. That is verification method. But this is Horner's method. Once explain Horner's method. Okay.